Elton has been an activist. He's a man on our ground. He's been doing great stuff for the community in regards to Amanitwe community. With him being a candidate councillor for Operation Tutula, it gives us an opportunity to be in touch nathi of ilentuzana people on the ground, especially abantu base Ward 29. We are looking at abantu abacontestayo. It's the same old guys who have done nothing for South Africans. And as Silai Ward 29, as Operation Tutula, we think we've got an opportunity to set out a blueprint for South Africa, to set out a blueprint for Soweto, Gauteng, how things should be done in regards to issues emisebenzi, in regards to basic service delivery. We feel we've got an opportunity to show South Africa on what we are capable of doing. As South Africans, Operation Tutula is not in government, but we are changing the direction of where the country is going. From issue yama ekolweni, from issue yasemaklinikini, and very soon sizongena njoba sikhona ezindlwini and Masasa will be in every aspect. South Africans, South Africans have been done wrong by. We hope the community of Ward 29 can give Operation Tutula this opportunity. What can we do as Operation Tutula? Njoba nazi what we are capable of. Bantu base Ward 29, I mean Mlamlankunzi, Deep Kloof, Notre-Dame, Pennyville, Orlando. Ngicela nivukeni siyo vote.
You are not electing a councillor that talks and lies, and I've got nothing to promise nobody. It's just work. Bring back to our people what we stole. I'm not going to say